Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn share marketing. Begin by grasping the core principles of how markets operate. Explore various investment options like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds to see what fits your goals. It's crucial to understand the rules and potential risks involved before you start. This foundational knowledge will build a strong base for your journey. Next, dive into research and analysis. Fundamental analysis helps you assess a company's true value by looking at its financials. Technical analysis, on the other hand, involves studying price charts and patterns to predict future movements. Always consult multiple reliable financial news sources and company reports to make informed decisions. Now let's get practical. Open an investment account with a trusted brokerage firm. It's wise to begin with a small, manageable amount, perhaps a few $100s, to minimize initial risk. Before committing real money, practice extensively with a demo or paper trading account. This allows you to test strategies without financial exposure. Finally, remember that learning is an ongoing process. Continuously stay informed about market trends and global economic news. Develop a personalized investment strategy that aligns with your risk tolerance and financial objectives. Regularly review your portfolio's performance and be prepared to make adjustments as market conditions or your goals evolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.